city of Dallas. Welcome to Turner Falls here in the Arbuckle, the heart of the Arbuckle. Yeah, you can see the beautiful place down here. I gonna see around how beautiful it is there in the Arbuckle. Wow, I love to swim. Oh my god. Look at that, honey. Look at that. Oh my god, I miss swimming though. I like it here. Look at that swimming. This is the Arbuckle view here, the Turner Falls. Still do some adventures. My god, I don't know how much is the entrance fee. You see that? That's a beautiful place here. Look at that. You just passed through here. Yes, this is my second part of my vlog for today. This is all about here at the waterfalls down here at the waterfalls in the Turner Falls, Oklahoma. You know that this is the part 2 because this is on the level 1 parking area here where you can see the falls from the Turner one. Alright, I'm gonna show you later. It's pretty nice there here. Look at the weather, it's so hot. It's past 12 in noon today. So see you. You see that? It's nice to do picnic there too. There's lots of people do swimming today. This is not a holiday, but today is the weekdays. So the entrance is like $16 per head, per person. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the top. I'm gonna go walk by there because the parking level 1 is on this side only. Yeah, alright. Yeah, it's nice in here too where you can have your you know your swimming attire if you want to rent something in here, if you buy something. Look at that, great color though. Yeah. Oh, it's nice to go swimming today. It's hot, but it's okay. We just stopped by here to see around because I miss hiking. I miss my adventure life, you know. Up there you can see the old house up there. Yeah, there's an old house up there too on that side. I remember those times when I came in here. There's a castle, old castle. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Did you see that? That's an old house up there. Yeah, old house. Look at that. If I'm gonna go up there, maybe I can see, but that's the old house. It's a lot of wild there too, animals like birds or whatever, raccoons. Yeah, I just go walk in there just to do adventure. Just the zip line up there. That's from the top where we went. The starting point up there. Yeah, that's a zip line there. I think nobody is going right now. Yeah, look at that. They enjoy swimming in there. During weekends, you can do like picnic or whatever, overnight parking. Yeah, this is the this is the castle here. Did you see that? The castle based on the Old English architecture. The castle was constructed with native stone. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? Yeah, that's the old castle. That's the old one. I've been there before. I climb up that side where I can see that's the castle. Nobody living there. It's just like built years ago, early 30s or so. I don't know. All right. Yeah, look at that in there. Wow. Did you see that? go to that side, going up there. Yeah, look at the rocks. Nice. This is here, you can do swimming. During weekends, they enjoy a lot in their, you know, picnic. Bringing some tent. On the level 2, there's an RV hook up in there too. You can hook up your RV. If you have an RV, you can hook it up. Yeah. And then there's a bunch in here doing like that. Look at the weather here. Right now, it's really nice weather today. Look, I love this place. Look at that rocks. It's nice, the rocks formation. Yeah, it's nice. Rocks formations on the side and the top. You see. Look at that here. They enjoyed swimming in here. There's a cable car if you want to ride because it's a long way going up and down. Yeah, look at the rocks formations. Yeah, I've been there on the top. Yeah, that's the place I went there. Okay, the rocks. Oh my God. I'm almost there to the falls. You see, there's a nice photography though here. I love this place. Yeah, I've been here before. Lots of people go swimming down here right now. Yeah, did you see that? That's so awesome. So pretty Waterfall. Yeah, there's a lot of people go swimming though. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I went on the top there where you can pass to the other side. There's a trail down here. So this is what up to now I can show you about the Oklahoma Turner Falls. It was a beautiful place to explore here at the Oklahoma Turner Falls. Yeah, you enjoy a lot swimming down here, especially during weekends. There's a special price during holidays though. It's $20, you know. The starting point where you can go up there. This is on the right side where the Turner Falls is on the level 1 parking area. But make sure you'll be safe going up to explore on the top, doing swim hike. You know, you can do this and pass the side on the right side of the Turner Falls and go up there. Yeah, and be safe when you go adventure in this area. All right. Yeah, see you. Alright guys, thank you so much. This is I enjoy a lot in here, walking, exploring around here at the Turner Falls, which is a beautiful place to explore here on Oklahoma area. This is a 2 hours away from the city, and of course 1.5 hours away from Texas. Yeah, if you have plans for weekends, make sure you can come up here early for sure. You can have a good spot or place where you can park your RV. You can hook up your RV on the top on the level 2. And here it's just like overnight or whatever you want. You can bring your tent. Yeah, and everything here is safe. Because during weekdays right now, it's like Monday today. It's Monday. There's a lot of people do swimming and do picnic. Yeah, it's really hot down here. It's past 12:30 right now. So I thought I'm gonna stay here for 30 minutes, but it's okay because we're traveling back to Texas. Alright, bye! Mahangin sa labas! It's too hot! I'm not scared of getting dark because I love my skin. I put already the protection of it so that no sunburn later. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much guys. This is all up to now at the Turner Falls, my part 2 adventure here at in the Oklahoma area. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Have a good day, everyone.